everyone, how are you today? Chen, Leticia, Anthony, Jensen, Brian, and Leon. Welcome back to our home learning program. Okay, in this video, I will share a science experiment, and the title is The Magic Balloon. Okay, this magic balloon, for this science experiment, we need a vinegar, cuka, a vinegar, an empty bottles without cap, we don't need this, yeah, and a baking soda, balloons, and an ice cream sticks to put this baking soda onto this balloon. Okay, the first one, let's take the balloon and fill with this baking soda. Okay, do it carefully, yeah, everyone. There you go. Okay, fill with baking soda. Not too much, but not too less. Okay. Oh. Okay. Two more. Yeah, I think it's enough. Another one, because we're going to make this science experiment 2 times. Just in case the first one is failed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 times. Okay. Leave it aside. Now, this empty bottle, we're going to fill with this vinegar. Do it very slow. I use all of them. Okay. And then we are ready to put this balloon onto the bottle's mouth. But, sorry. Okay, like this, yeah. Wait. Okay, make sure all the mouths cover with the balloon. See? It's broken. Okay, I still can fix this like this. Okay, yeah. Now, let's see. The balloon is inflated, everyone, right? Okay, let's try one more time. So, in this balloon, I will put more baking soda. I will put more baking soda. We need more baking soda to make the balloon inflated very big, yeah. Okay, it's okay. Science is fun, right? Okay, enough. Now this time, let's do it very carefully. Maybe you can ask for help to your mom to do this, to cover the mouth of the bottle with the balloon. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Showtime! There you go. Ta-da! Yay! Look! We did it! See? If you put more baking soda, your balloon is going inflated very big also. Look! Yay! So, why? Does anyone have idea about why the balloon inflated? Because the baking soda, when you're mixing the baking soda and the vinegar, it will be formed a carbon dioxide gas. Karbon dioksida namanya. Jadi kalau baking soda ini dicampur sama vinegar ini, dia akan menghasilkan gas karbon dioksida. That's why that gas make this balloon inflated like this. Yay! Very fun? We did it, everybody. So now please ask your mom to buy you some vinegar and the baking soda. I will send the balloon for you. Okay? And have a very fun science experiment, the magic balloon. See you next time. Bye bye.